G'day, this is Jerome from PME. So I'm just going to run over how to change the battery in the PME RF360. So we've had another number of customers that have owned this for several years and they've become quite familiar with it, but they're not actually familiar that it has a battery in it. So to replace the battery, you can see there's a little battery tray and a slight deviation here where you can get your finger into. All you've got to do is pull that out gently. Don't pull it all the way out because there are wires attached, as you can see. And then, yeah, you just pop the battery out. It's an AE23 12 volt battery. We recommend using a brand name one. The polarity of the terminals is detailed on the side of the battery tray. So you just put the battery back in the corresponding order. Once that's in there, you just gently push that back in and then make sure it clicks and it's all flush, and then there you have it, it's all ready to go again. So a couple of things to remember when this is not in use, and if you've taken it off the steering wheel and you stored it in your glove box or something, just make sure you don't have anything on top of it, because it will continue to drain the battery if you've got the buttons held down, and then that's going to kill your battery pretty quickly. The battery life, it varies depending on how often you use it, obviously. Some people might replace it every year, and as I said, we've had other customers that have not replaced it for 5 years. But if you need to know any more information, give us a call on 9482-2808, or look at your instruction manual. There's a lot more helpful information in there. Thank you.